Hi, I'm Lisa Snowdon and welcome to my crib. It's the wrong show, isn't it? Come in anyway. I tell you what, nobody's been in here, so you're very lucky. This room gets a lot of action. I usually say that in the bedroom. Now to the boudoir. Come. Hi, I'm Lisa. Welcome to my house, and I'm going to tell you some of my favourite things about it. My first favourite thing would be, it feels like home. So whenever we get inside, it just feels like that. Now, it's going to be really hard for me to choose 5 favourite things that I love in the house because for me, it's just about the feeling that I get when I'm here. It just feels like home. It's a real collection of stuff that George and I have kind of found over the years, and we've kind of collected things between us. So it has a really lovely feeling. The candles, the crystals, and we've got like nice photography that we like, pops of colour, the feeling that it gives us. It just feels like home. The second thing I like is the fact that we have flowers. I love living things around us. Flowers everywhere. I just love that feeling of like life, energy, plants everywhere. I just love being surrounded by plants. House plant central this is. These are my plant babies. Take a lot of care of them. This is such a nice place just to sit and read a book, and you've got that kind of real outside inside feeling about it. But yeah, plants everywhere. The more the merrier, and the plants keep having babies too, look. Literally madness. The third thing I'd have to say is that kind of sense of space and that kind of flow that we've got. We always have all the doors open, so you can kind of just keep moving through the house. It's just got that nice energy that keeps moving. I love kind of walking through the front door, through the dining room and into the conservatory, and you've got that sense of space. One of the best things about the house is the kind of flow that happens, because you can just kind of like, I like wafting around, wafting in my dresses. And of course there's all the plants going on there as well, but lots of colour and lots of freedom. The fourth thing I love about the house has to be the staircase, because I came back from a trip one year and George had hung all of the photos up the stairs. For me, it's like a kind of art installation. It was such a lovely surprise. I'm the kind of person that I can never make a decision on where to hang things. So all of our pictures were always kind of up against the wall. That's what I've been notorious for over the years. But I came back from a trip a couple of years ago and George had just put everything up. So it was a really nice surprise, and I never ever get bored of looking at it. I absolutely love it. And then the fifth thing has to be the garden, I think, because we spend so much time out there. It's a labour of love. We've done a lot to it since we've been here the last few years, and it brings a lot of joy. This is the garden. Love it. I love being barefoot. I love being out here all the time. And I have to say, even though we're not far from London, really, but look, it's so quiet. Might be able to hear the neighbours. It's so quiet and peaceful. And there's all sorts of stuff in this garden, you know, that's what I love about it. And there's stuff that we've planted as well. So all of like the acers and the jasmine's flowering at the moment, so you've got that lovely smell. We've got herbs, we've got tomatoes. Look, little baby raspberries. They're almost ready. That's exciting. This rose was my Nana's rose. We took a cutting from it from her garden, and so that's really special every year when it flowers. It's not quite ready to go in the ground. We've got some tomatoes here. These little bad boys are going to be ready soon-ish. But yeah, it's just really a nice place to be. Come out here and sit and have lunch, long barbecues. Can't wait for those again when friends can come back round. It's just been so precious to have that outside space, and we thank our lucky stars every day, and we spend a lot of time out there. First thing in the morning and last thing at night as well. Lots of watering. So we've got grapes, honeysuckle, passion flowers. I'm just like, let's just plant it up and see what happens. So this is a really cool place to be. Makes me very happy. That's it, that's my home. You've seen it all now, so it's time for you to go. Go on, get out. See you later. Thanks, bye.